Hey everyone, Apocalypse Hub here. Just wanted to quickly show you the multi-tool that I carry with me every day. It's part of my EDC. It's your just standard stainless steel multi-tool set. Nothing fancy. It was given to me a couple years ago, 2-3 years ago. It's got my initials monogrammed on the other side. So let's see. Let me start out with the one I use the most. You got your blade here. I sharpen this maybe twice a week because I use it all the time. And then you've got your little saw, which does come in handy too. Let's see. And of course, screwdrivers. You got the flat head, and then you've got your, I don't know if you can see it, the Phillips one over here. So those are my favorite ones that I use all the time, actually. Put it back where it was. Just gonna measure it for you, just to show you dimensions and such. This thing right here, it's pretty useless unless you sharpen it, which I don't even bother. If I need to cut something, I'll cut it with a little blade. It comes with it. And it does come with a little keychain ring here. But I've never used that. Let's see if I have my tape measure so I can show you. Roughly around 3 inches in length and about ½ inch width. It's very lightweight, and it did come in its own little leather pouch. It's a very durable pouch. So I can just carry this with me, even just in my pocket if I wanted to. But during the semester I carry it around in this little mesh pocket. Fits perfectly next to my EDC survival tin that I showed you guys last time. So it's just there. So again, that's part of my EDC, and it goes in my messenger bag. Messenger bag is basically just a your standard messenger bag. It's a Nautica one. I've got a little S-beaner here with several things attached to it. I'll go over that next time. I'm actually looking for a backpack, just because this is getting to be a little too heavy. And it's probably going to get heavier next semester, because in here I've got a pocket organizer, which I'm trying to prepare for next semester, because it's going to be a really hectic curriculum, and I've got additional stuff that I need to carry with me. I really need to carry it with me, so I'm looking for a backpack that's going to be a little easier on my shoulders, because this one is okay for lightweight stuff, but it's packed to the brim right now. My binder, my notebook, a couple of things here that I need. So I'm going to need something a little more easier on my back, and I'm probably going to try to pick one up this weekend. So we'll see. But I'll do another video on what I actually have in these little pockets here. But that's for next time. Anyway, this is Apocalypse Hub. Signing off. Just wanted to show you my little handy dandy multi-tool kit. So, I'll see you next time. Thanks.